Hey crypto enthusiasts! Liam here with another exciting update for you on Crypto Gains HD. Today, we're diving into some massive developments in the XRP market that you absolutely need to know about. XRP is making serious waves today as the price surges amid newfound legal clarity and bullish forecasts pointing to a potential $15 breakout. That's right, XRP is currently trading at $2.37, showing impressive gains of 9.46% over the past week, with daily trading volume exceeding 432 billion. Technical analysts have identified that XRP is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern, which suggests a potential major breakout. This pattern, drawn from XRP's previous high of $3.50 back in 2018 down to its 2020 lows, indicates that if XRP breaks above the $2.40 threshold, we could see a rally toward that $15 level. What's fueling this optimism? Well, Ripple's recent legal victory over the SEC has been a game changer. The settlement, finalized at $50 million versus the SEC's original demand of $125 million, has cleared a major cloud that was hanging over the digital asset for years. Judge Annalisa Torres approved the settlement, effectively ending years of uncertainty over whether XRP is classified as a security. This decision has not only lifted restrictions on Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, but has also enabled Ripple to aggressively pursue growth strategies, particularly in cross-border payments and financial partnerships. The market has responded with increased confidence, reflected in the spike in trading volume and price activity, even as the broader crypto market consolidates. It's worth noting that this settlement represents a significant victory for Ripple, as the SEC initially sought $125 million in penalties. Getting away with just $50 million is being viewed very positively by investors. Additionally, the SEC's decision to drop its appeal regarding the judge's ruling that XRP tokens sold on public exchanges are not securities is seen as a major win for Ripple and the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. Looking ahead to June 2025, there are three important catalysts that could combine to send XRP even higher. The first major catalyst is the potential approval of a new spot XRP ETF. All eyes are on June 17th, which is the date when the SEC might sign off on a spot XRP ETF application from Franklin Templeton. Approval of a spot ETF would be huge for XRP, potentially bringing mainstream adoption similar to what we saw with Bitcoin after its spot ETFs were approved in January 2024. The technical indicators are also looking promising. XRP recently broke out of a 112-day downtrend, and if this rally continues, we could see it hit $2.80 soon, with potential to even set a new all-time high. Some bullish price targets suggest XRP could go as high as $65 if it continues to hold above key support levels. The XRP-BTC trading pair is also showing promise, as it's currently trying to break out of a falling wedge pattern, often a sign of a big move to the upside. This bullish momentum for XRP comes as Bitcoin has recently touched the $105,000 mark, boosting altcoins across the board. Some analysts are predicting a local market top in June or July, with Bitcoin possibly reaching $120,000 to $130,000. If that scenario plays out, XRP might approach the $400 mark. The South Korean market is also showing increased interest in XRP, with more investors placing bets on Ripple's token as easing trade tensions between the US and China fuel risk-taking in the crypto space. For traders watching XRP today, the key level to monitor is that $2.40 threshold. A decisive break above this level could confirm the bullish breakout thesis and potentially trigger a substantial rally. On the downside, support levels around $2.30 should be watched closely. After skyrocketing in value by nearly 600% after the 2024 election, XRP had settled into a relatively narrow trading range around the $2 mark. But with these recent developments, that range-bound trading appears to be coming to an end, with significant upside potential on the horizon. That's all for today's XRP update. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to Crypto Gains HD for daily cryptocurrency news and insights. Share this video with fellow crypto enthusiasts and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss another upload. This is Liam, signing off until next time.